What's up, y'all? It's Sherry B, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, girl, what's up? How you doing? So I'm looking real rough on some of like rough as hell. Like, I just need some me time. Your girl nails are looking busted. Look at this. Look at this. So I need to go get my nails done, and it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. I should have been went and got my nails done, but anyway. Also, I'm also going to get my hair done today, so I'm really just getting cute. And I'm really just going to get cute today, and I want you to come with me. So let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, I made it to my appointment. I'm ready to get to my appointment, and I really don't feel like it. I've been driving so long and you feel like going in. But come on, y'all, let's go, because I'm already late. We here, y'all, at the house of Link's Beauty Bar. I don't even know she in here. Hey, she kinda good. Hey, Connor.
Sit down.
We done doing Shakona.
We're gonna do a freestyle. That means you have no control over it. Okay.
Okay. That's why I like it anyway. Bye, Shakona. Okay, y'all. Ooh, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, y'all. I forgot to show y'all my hair. My sister did it. I love it. It's good. All it needs to be right. Okay, y'all, this used to be my beauty room slash filming room slash wig room slash closet slash storage slash all of it. Like, it's stuff everywhere. Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it.
One hour later.
Okay, y'all, I'm done. I did all I was gonna do tonight. Girl is tired and she about to go to bed. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it, really appreciate it. And if you haven't, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and it's your B. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you be notified every time I post. But until we meet again, guys, bye.